In problem 11, we're going to use what we know about the properties of exponents to simplify the expression. 27x to the negative 7 halves power to the negative 2/3 power over x to the 5/27. So when we have something in parentheses to the power applies to both things on the inside of the parentheses. So we're going to have 27 to the negative 2/3 power times x to the negative 7 halves power times negative 2/3 power. And I'm just going to leave the denominator for now, x to the 5/27. So what is 27 to the negative 2/3 power? We know it's going to be 1 over something. 1 over, because of the negative. It's going to be a third root because the 3 is on the bottom. And we're going to take that quantity and square it. And that is because the 2 is on the top. For the x, we can multiply these two fractions. The 2's are going to cancel out. The negatives are going to cancel out. And we're going to end up with x to the 7/3. And that is over x to the 5/27. So if you're not sure, you can type this into your calculator. What is the cubed root of 27? It's 3. And then what is 3 squared? That would be 9. So we're going to end up with 1/9 for this first numeric term. Now we have to simplify our x's. We're going to have x to the 7/3 minus 5/27 because we're dividing, so we subtract the exponents. We're going to have to find a common denominator. That will be 27, so I have to multiply top and bottom here by 9. This 1/9 is just going to skate along with us. X to the 63/27 because I multiplied the top and bottom by 9 in order to get a common denominator, minus 5/27. Now we can take 63 and subtract 5, and we get 1/9 times x to the 58/27. 58 is not divisible by 3, so this is as simplified as this one is going to get. That is going to be our final solution. Another way that you could write this that is equally proper is x to the 58/27 over 9. The system should accept both solutions. Let's take a look at letter B. We have a whole bunch of positive exponents mixed up with negative exponents. What I like to do with these ones is make sure to switch the side of the negative exponents immediately. That's going to be my first step. Anything that's negative on top is going to go to the denominator. So x to the 7 halves stays on top. Y to the 5/9 goes to the bottom because it's negative. X to the 3 halves goes on top because it's negative. Y to the 5/3 goes on top because it's negative. And x to the 1/2 stays on the bottom. There's no change because it is positive. Now I'm going to combine like terms on the top. I'm going to add 7 halves plus 3 halves and get x to the 10 halves, or x to the 5th, y to the 5/3, over y to the 5/9, x to the 1/2. Now I can subtract the exponents that are on the bottom from the exponents on the top. So I'm going to have x to the 5th minus 1/2, y to the 5/3 minus 5/9. We're going to have to find common denominators for both of these. We get x to the 10/2 minus 1/2, y to the 15/9 minus 5/9. And now we can subtract the numerators. We get x to the 9/2, y to the 10/9. And that's our final solution.